Welcome back to Animal Facts. Here we give you nothing but absolute facts, so you better believe it. In this exciting video, we're going to dive deep into the incredible world of anteaters, uncovering the top 10 most mind-blowing facts about these unique creatures. If you're a fan of wildlife and curious about the natural world, this video is a must-watch. Anteaters are more than just quirky-looking animals. They play a crucial role in our ecosystems. Discover their extraordinary adaptations, feeding habits, and much more in this fact-filled video. Don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more engaging content.
Anteaters are fascinating creatures known for their unique physical features and specialized diet. Anteaters have elongated, tubular snouts that are adapted for their insectivorous diet. Their snouts house a long, sticky tongue, which they use to capture ants and termites. Their tongues can extend up to 2 feet (60 centimeters) and are covered in sticky saliva to help them collect insects efficiently. Anteaters have powerful, curved claws on their front limbs, which they use to rip open termite mounds and ant nests. They have long, bushy tails, which help them maintain balance and serve as a counterbalance to their snout. Their fur often features a distinctive black and white or gray pattern that resembles dappled sunlight on the forest floor, providing them with effective camouflage. There are 3 main species of anteaters: the giant anteater, the tamandua, lesser anteater, and the silky anteater. The giant anteater is the largest and most well-known, while the tamandua and silky anteater are smaller and have different habitats and behaviors. Anteaters are primarily found in Central and South America. They inhabit various environments, including tropical forests, grasslands, and savannas. Anteaters have a highly specialized diet that primarily consists of ants and termites. Their unique adaptations make them exceptionally efficient at capturing and consuming these small, social insects. Anteaters are obligate insectivores, which means they rely almost exclusively on ants and termites for their food. Anteaters have elongated snouts that are designed for probing into ant and termite nests. Their long, sticky tongue can extend up to 2 feet and is perfect for lapping up insects within nests. Anteaters lack teeth, so they don't chew their prey. Instead, they swallow ants and termites whole. Anteaters use their sharp, curved claws to tear open ant mounds and termite nests, exposing the insects within. Once the nests are opened, they use their sticky tongue to quickly collect ants and termites. They can flick their tongue in and out at incredible speeds, capturing large numbers of insects in a short time. Anteaters are capable of consuming thousands of ants and termites in a single day. Their high metabolic rate is adapted to this rapid intake of insects. While ants and termites are their primary food sources, some anteaters might also consume other small insects and larvae when available. Anteaters' specialization on ants and termites has led to specific adaptations in their anatomy, behavior, and ecology, making them well-suited to their role as nature's insect controllers. Anteaters primarily feed on ants and termites. Their solitary behavior is largely due to the limited food resources provided by these insects. Ant and termite colonies are typically dispersed, and each anteater requires access to its own hunting grounds. Anteaters are territorial animals. They establish and defend territories where they can find sufficient food. Sharing these territories with other individuals of the same species can lead to competition for limited food resources. By remaining solitary, they reduce competition for the same hunting grounds. While they are typically solitary, anteaters do come together during the breeding season. Males and females may interact for mating, but these encounters are relatively brief. After mating, they go their separate ways, with the females focusing on raising their young. Anteaters are agile climbers and strong swimmers. These abilities allow them to navigate diverse terrain and access various food sources. Their solitary nature supports their adaptability to different habitats. Anteaters are prey to various predators, including big cats, large birds of prey, and wild dogs. Their solitary lifestyle reduces their vulnerability to predation, as they don't have to share their food or be exposed to additional threats. Even within their solitary existence, they may still encounter other individuals, especially of the same sex. These interactions can lead to territorial disputes or competition for access to food. Some anteaters, like the giant anteater, are primarily nocturnal. Their solitary behavior during the night may help them avoid contact with potential predators or competitors. Although solitary, Anteaters do communicate through vocalizations and scent marking. These signals help establish boundaries between territories and avoid unnecessary physical confrontations. While they are often solitary, it's essential to note that during the mating season, male and female anteaters come together to reproduce. Afterward, they return to their solitary lives, with the female taking care of her offspring. This combination of solitary living and social interactions during the breeding season is a key aspect of anteater behavior. Anteaters have camouflaged fur that helps them blend into their natural habitat. This camouflage is an essential adaptation for their survival, as it allows them to avoid detection by predators and prey. The fur of anteaters typically features a dappled pattern that resembles the play of light and shadow on the forest floor. This pattern can vary slightly among different species and individuals, but it generally consists of light and dark patches. The dappled coloration of their fur provides them with cryptic coloration or disruptive coloration. This type of camouflage helps break up the outline of their body and makes them less conspicuous in their natural environment. Their fur's coloration closely resembles the dappled and mottled appearance of the ground in a forest or woodland environment. This natural mimicry allows them to blend in with their surroundings, making it more challenging for both predators and prey to spot them. Anteaters are relatively defenseless against predators, as their main form of protection is to go unnoticed. Their cryptic coloration helps them avoid detection, especially when they are stationary or moving slowly. Anteaters are preyed upon by various animals, including large cats, wild dogs, and birds of prey. Their camouflage assists in avoiding these predators, who may have difficulty spotting them in the underbrush. In addition to camouflage, their fur may offer protection from environmental elements, such as sunlight, rain, and wind, as well as provide insulation against temperature fluctuations. Anteaters, particularly the giant anteater, are facing various conservation concerns that threaten their populations. These concerns are primarily driven by habitat loss, human activities, and the challenges they face as a result. Deforestation, urbanization, and agricultural expansion have led to significant habitat loss for anteaters. As forests are cleared for human activities, the anteaters lose their natural homes and the insects they rely on for food. As roads and highways are constructed through anteater habitats, they face increased mortality due to vehicle collisions. This is a significant problem, particularly for the slow-moving giant anteater. Habitat fragmentation, caused by the creation of isolated forest patches, can lead to reduced genetic diversity and the isolation of anteater populations. This makes them more vulnerable to diseases and other threats. Anteaters are sometimes hunted for their body parts, especially their claws, which are used in traditional medicine and for jewelry. This poaching, even if localized, can have a detrimental impact on local populations. Climate change affects anteater habitats by altering temperature and rainfall patterns. It can also impact the populations of ants and termites, affecting the anteater's primary food source. Forest fires, often a result of human activities and exacerbated by climate change, can destroy the habitats and food sources of anteaters. Disease outbreaks in wildlife populations can have devastating effects. Anteaters may be susceptible to diseases, and any outbreak within their populations can be particularly harmful. A lack of awareness about the ecological importance of anteaters and their role in controlling insect populations can contribute to the lack of conservation efforts and funding. Conservation organizations and researchers are working to address these concerns through efforts such as habitat protection, anti-poaching initiatives, wildlife corridors, and public education. It's crucial to raise awareness about the conservation needs of anteaters to ensure their continued survival in the wild. We have come to the end of today's video, but before you go, I just want to thank you for watching. I appreciate it, and please feel free to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Also check out my Instagram link in the bio, for more photos and video clips. This is Animals Facts. See you next time with more facts.